Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can hide Instagram chat without deleting it. So at first go to your profile and then tap on the three bars and then go to settings, and then from there you have to click on your account and scroll down until you see switch to professional account, and then press on continue, and then suppose choose whatever type it is. For now I'm going to type this one and then press OK. Then select your business type and then go to save settings and then next, and then continue or not now, it's up to you. Now when you go back to your chats, you'll see that two options are here, primary and general. So long press on text and click on move to general, and there you go, it will be moved to general. Now if you want to hide it, all you have to do is go back to your settings, into your account, and then scroll down and then go to switch account type and then click on switch to personal account. And then once you do, if you go to your chats and reload it, it will be hidden. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.